Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments. I do read them all and I'd love to hear from you. Okay, y'all, first of all, the way things are going now, we really need to do this. The phone numbers to the White House switchboard is in my description box. Please click on show more down there. Description box will open up. Get those phone numbers and call them every day. I used to say, tell them that we needed a stimulus check. Tell them what we needed and all. Don't do that no more because they've already proved they don't care. What I want you to do is just tell them in November they will be all voted out of office, and tell them how sorry of a job they're doing. Maybe that will get the point across. And please, don't be nice when you do it. Use the hardest voice you can. Y'all, I am convinced that the White House, the Senate, and the House, they are all working together. But the bad part is they're all working against us. I believe that's the plan. They're all working against us, just so there won't be a stimulus package passed. Y'all, Congress went on recess last month. They're on recess now. They'll be on recess again next month. And all this flying around the country on their planes, back and forth between home and Washington. Guess who's paying for that? Yeah, you guessed it. Our tax money is paying for their first-class lifestyle. Everything they spend money on, that's our money. That's our tax money. It's just something to think about. A lot of people are still asking if they're on Social Security, SSI, or SSDI, will they get the stimulus check? Y'all, right now there is no stimulus check to get. They're not even talking about stimulus check right now. We are talking about stimulus checks because we're hoping. But yes, if there is a stimulus check in the next bill, I would almost be willing to bet my life Social Security, SSI, and SSDI recipients would get it. Can you imagine if they didn't? Wouldn't be a pretty picture. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Give me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. I love you all. Until the next time. Ciao.